And then it like connects from here.
Look great, it's gonna be so much fun.
Where's the parch water already?
Drink your water.
Says we're live.
Give me the fucking plant water.
Okay, so yeah, now it's on. As you can see.
Hi, welcome to our first ever virtual open house. Come on in. Let me fix my mask. You guys are going to have to bear with us because we've never done this, and there may be some glitches, but we're going to have fun with it. Okay, have a little hand sanitizer. Welcome. There you go. And let me take your temperature real quick. Awesome, 96.9. It's cold outside.
Nice.
It is a radio station too, isn't it? Anyway, welcome to our first annual open house, you guys. We are so sorry that we cannot be in person celebrating with you, having our food, our snacks, our drinks, and just a good time. But we are so happy that you've joined us virtually. So let me introduce you to our staff. Obviously, you know who we are. I'm Jennifer. This is Charity. Danielle, we call her Donnie, Kim, and Natalie. Thank you so much again for coming. So obviously, we are just so grateful, blessed, and thankful to be working and having you support us. So we always have your safety in mind, so we want you to know that going in. So this is a socially distant, virtually safe event, and that in mind, we listen to your feedback. So every year we ask, what can we do better? And you guys have wanted to know, or actually you've asked us, we want more specials. So this year we have over 20 instant specials that you can purchase on the GiveSmart site. So I hope you guys have taken advantage of that. There are some really great deals and values. So you can continue looking at those. We will keep that site up throughout this live, which could last 10 minutes or 40 minutes. We don't know how very quickly this goes. The raffles, sadly, are closed. So the raffle tickets, you guys are used to that, but you've had to put your tickets in each item. We have over 15 raffles. Some of those raffles are worth over $1,800. I hope you guys were able to peruse those and look at them because somebody is going to come away with a Santa bag full of treats. So anyway, another special we have going on is
gift cards. So we have gift cards for the full month of December. It's buy one for $150 and get $50 free. And it is a limit 2 per person, please.
And those are great because you can use those for product purchases. You can use them for your services purchases. And everybody loves them. So I think we actually sold out of those at one point today and we had to reload more. So they're still available. They're still up. The app is still open, except for the raffles. They're closed, and we will be announcing the winners of those probably in about 20 minutes. Now, for joining and being one of the first people to sign up, not everybody gets one, but the first, we increased it, the first 70 people, and you guys, we had over almost 200 of you guys sign up for this, so thank you so much. This is what you get in your goodie bag for the first lucky 70.
So you will get a fancy wine glass and a cookie with our logo on it and then some chocolate truffles. So definitely worth signing up early.
They are. The cookies are by, I'll get that. I'll link that for you. But I do want to make a note.
They are delicious. That's all that matters.
Okay, I'll get there. God, I'm sorry. It's just I'll get that. I'm really sorry. I'm nervous, you guys. Okay. I do want to make a note because all of you who've been with us, this is our 8th year. I'm blocking you out. I'm sorry. Our 8th open house. I cannot even believe it. The glass is a different shape. We did a red wine glass this year. We're trying to get you a new set, okay? So a lot of y'all probably have 6 of the white glasses, so now we're going to the red glasses. We know it's different, okay, Karen? Okay, what have you guys all been waiting for? The number one item that we have had and curated for the last several years is the treatment tree.
Yes.
So guess what? It's going to go live in about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. So go ahead, let's go this way and we will take a look at the treatment tree, okay? So, what is the treatment tree, you ask? So, it's not a Charlie Brown tree. It's not. It is our special little love tree. We have 20 treatment tree bags this year. And I'm trying to enunciate. I know it's hard with the mask, so maybe I'll go a little slower. The treatment tree is $75. So go ahead, log into your site, just pick a number, okay? Any number, 1 through 20. $75. You are guaranteed a treatment, not a product basket, a treatment or a service that is worth $150 and up to $550. What's included in them? We've got Clear and Brilliant. We've got Diamond Glow. We have Oxygeneos. We've got some Revitalash baskets with lash lift services. We have IPL, micro peels, basically all of our favorite treatments. Thermi Smooth, Resurfix, basically all of our favorite treatments are included in this. So go ahead, start loading your cart. It might take a couple minutes because it's not as easy as the dash for the bag in years past. Go ahead and load your cart and get ready to push buy now because Sherry will let us know. I'm sorry, you guys. Sherry is joining us virtually from home, and she's doing all the back-end administration, and we could not have pulled this off without her. So she is busy as a bee working on all that. So when they are sold out, we will let you know. So I imagine it will be shortly because there's only 20. Okay? Come this way. So if you've been here before, you know this is how we bring you through to our area of the building. As you know from last year, we recently remodeled. So, and we're going to come down here and talk to Margot from the Pretty in Pink Foundation because this is who we are partnered with this year. All of the raffled items are being donated. All the money that is raised for the raffle is being donated to the Pretty in Pink Foundation. And Margot is going to talk to you a little bit about Pretty in Pink. So,
Thank you, Jennifer.
welcome. We are so glad to have you
Very
here.
exciting. Even though there's not a crowd, it's still very exciting.
It's very exciting, yeah.
It is. And we're so appreciative of the money that the raffle tickets are making for us. And this money will go directly to patient care. We take care of uninsured and underinsured breast cancer patients in North Carolina. We pay for their surgeries, their radiation treatments, and their chemotherapy administration. We pay for copays and insurance premiums. And right now, so many people have lost their jobs.
They
so many
have.
people have
The
lost
need
their
is greater than ever.
insurance.
Yeah.
It's greater than ever. And so we are actually, even during the year of COVID, able to help about 100 more patients than we were last
Are
year.
you serious?
And it's from generous people like you who do fundraisers for us and our donors who donate to us every year. And we can't stress enough how every dime helps. Every dollar goes towards saving a woman's life.
Yeah.
And you know the women are the heart of the home. We run the house.
We
run
are.
the
We are the
job.
heart of the home.
That's right. And without us, the ship doesn't run.
Yeah.
And so we are able to take care of these women with early detection and treatment. Our champions have a 95% chance of survival.
That's amazing.
And so we make sure that as soon as there's a diagnosis, we work with patient navigators, physicians, surgeons all across the state, hospital systems. They refer people to us who don't have the means to pay for their medical treatments, and we take it over from there. We take care
Awesome.
of their bills so that they don't have to stress over trying to figure
Wow.
out what everything is.
So that's amazing. So just know that you guys, I need money that you guys purchase these raffle items, which are all beautification items for us. All of the raffle money is going to support Pretty in Pink, which was founded by Dr. Lisa Tolnich, who is a dear friend, and we are just so happy about that.
Right.
Now,
One
you guys
of your
just
favorite doctors, Dr. Hyde,
and Dr. Hyde
used to
is
sit on our board,
Yes.
and he's always been very supportive, as has the MedSpa.
and Dr. Lyle as well. So,
Right. Absolutely.
you guys just recently had an event, a gala.
We
so,
did. We had
and
a-
you had to do it virtually too.
It comes
It's
about
a new time.
soiree at
Yeah.
home. We did. And we raised, we just are so appreciative of our sponsors and our donors and the people that bought auction items. We raised $157,000.
Wow,
Yes.
that's great.
It was
So
phenomenal. So
Awesome.
even in this year of COVID, people understand that patients with breast cancer need help.
Yeah.
And they step up, just like your people, your clients, your fan base has to purchase tickets, the raffle tickets. And I'd like to thank everybody who purchased a ticket. I hope you all are winners.
They're gonna know soon enough. So yes. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you for
I
having
know.
me. And
We
good
appreciate you
luck
being here
tonight.
Thank you, and shake your hand, give you an elbow
Elbow
bump.
bump.
I know.
Right.
So come on back, and we're going to talk about some of the featured instant items that you guys can still buy and purchase. But if you weren't sure about what it was, I'm gonna have Natalie and Charity talk about some of their favorite items. So come on back. So this is our original our original treatment room is upstairs, but this is one of our downstairs treatment rooms. I'm in here a lot, but we do bounce around. So it is not my room, Charity's room, or Natalie's room, just letting you know that. We have the downstairs room, the upstairs room, and the new room. So Charity and Natalie are going to talk about the Diamond Glow
Diamond Glow.
and the Oxygeneo.
So the Diamond Glow is a microderm that exfoliates, infuses a serum of your choice, or our choice that we get to choose for you. And it also helps take out those pesky little blackheads that we all get. So it does really good for cleaning out the pores really good, and you will be leaving looking all glowy.
So then we have the Oxygeneo. This is our newest treatment. This is my personal favorite. I've struggled with acne along my chin, and it really helps to exfoliate the epidermis without having to go in and harshly take out a lot of those pustules and blackheads that we all get, especially now with the masked knee. It has definitely helped a lot of clients to just kind of relieve a lot of that acne that's happening on the chin. So this treatment right here is actually on sale for $135, which is a great treatment or price. I'm sorry.
It is a great treatment.
Well, it's a great
fantastic treatment. Yeah.
But it does. We have a charcoal pod that would go onto here, and it infuses the oxygen into the skin. And then we also have ultrasound, and then an infrared light that can help reduce some inflammation.
Because we all need to have some inflammation reduced during this time. Let me tell you. Okay. Any other topics? Can you do a dermaplane with that? Because there's an item where you can add on a $99 dermaplane.
You can add on with both of these
Dermaplaning
treatments.
with either one of them. And if you want to add on even more hydration, you could do the jelly mask.
Yes.
Oh my gosh,
Yes.
your skin will be literally glowing like you be on the red carpet.
Yes, absolutely.
You guys will
The
save
other.
$25 if you grab that. Grab some jelly masks. They're still open. Yeah.
Yes.
So, okay.
Perfect.
So now we did something new this year, and I'm going to give a shout out to my daughter, and Donnie will too. It was literally a week ago, and Jordan says to me, and all you guys know Jordan, if you've been on this bed with me, you've heard about Jordan. She's like, Mom, you know what you guys should do for the open house? You should do a product advent box, because who hasn't been to Aldi getting their 75 different advent boxes or whatever. And I was like, that's a great idea. So Danielle whipped up this thing, so we're going to come in here and she's going to talk about it, because we have been like the elves in production.
Absolutely.
This
Absolutely.
is Danielle.
Hello, everybody. If you didn't hear the introduction, I know you guys have seen me. I'm the newest member of the team. I'm Danielle. Everyone calls me Donnie. And so I am here to present our newest thing to our annual open house is our advent box. And it is amazing. Let me go ahead and pick it up so you can get a better view. It is representing the 12 days of Christmas, so they are all numbered. The box is basically a box full of some of our best samples. The box was priced at $35, but it is $150 or over of just wonderful products. I do have some of the highlighted products there, which is our Sente, and also our Revitalash products, our double-ended mascara, and a lot of SkinCeuticals products. So you guys get to try things that you may not have used before, but you just want to see what it's about. It's going to come beautifully wrapped like a gift. So if you want to get someone a gift who is not our client and you want to get them started in some great skincare, this is an excellent idea. Unfortunately, you guys love this so much, you bought all of them. So they're sold out this year, but please check back next year. We'll have more, and we look forward to you guys opening them and being happy. Try to do one a day for 12 days. Merry Christmas.
Okay, I'm not live. We're kind of remapping. Okay, and just a little side note. We could not do a live food event, actually. we'll go in a second. We couldn't do live food. You know, we're being socially safe, COVID safe. But this is one of my new crushes as far as at-home entertaining, right,
It's the
Johnny?
best.
It's the best. Courtney Bowman, we love you, girl, at Raleigh Cheesy. So if you guys have not experienced at-home charcuterie, you really need to get on with that. It's fantastic. She's got a board right now called the Christmas Annie Glass board that is $50 off if you just go to her website, and it's an automatic discount. So we cannot wait to get into that. So anyway, come on in here. We're going to come into our favorite area. This would be like, you know, our work living room. So this is where besides the treatment rooms, where the magic happens. So, you know, we like to decorate it. This is where the checkout is. Danielle will take care of you. This is where this is the brains, the MedSpa Center. This is where it all goes down, right? Everything goes down here. So we're going to be announcing raffle winners shortly, but I did want to talk about any other of the specials that you guys really wanted to highlight. Oh, I know. I do want to highlight one. If you have not grabbed, I'm sorry, you know, the mask thing, I just want to make sure I'm enunciating, is the Voluderm. Now, if you guys have been clients of ours, and most of you who have logged on have been, you've all probably experienced or been taught or have been told about the RF microneedling and Voluderm. You know, aside from a surgical procedure, it's probably the next thing, the next level up thing you can do to up your skincare, or actually your anti-aging game. RF microneedling helps to regenerate your body's own collagen. And so it uses two technologies. Microneedling, as everyone knows, is a great, great way to help smooth texture, improve acne scars, improve pigment, smooth fine lines and wrinkles. You know, that's standard in microneedling. I like RF microneedling with Voluderm by Polygen, which is owned by Luminous, is because it adds that element of heat. Bear with me, because I'm going to give you guys my analogy, my layman's analogy of how RF microneedling works. I mean, if you've had it, if you know, you know. If you don't, this is what it does. So imagine, like, if you're baking. You're making a cupcake, a muffin, or whatever, and you're pouring the batter into the pan. So what RF, which it stands for radio frequency, what it does is it's heat therapy. It's heat-based energy. And so when you add heat to something, like tissue, skin, you know, batter, it rises. Okay, so think of that muffin rising, right?
Yeah.
It expands. So the heat causes it to expand. So what's expanding are proteins called collagen. And as collagen expands, it looks for like proteins. And so it's trying to bind together with other like proteins. So now you've got the dome and it's starting to come up. What is holding that into the bottom of that muffin pan or the cupcake pan is elastin. So what happens at muffin? Elastin shrinks. It tightens as you add heat. So now you're getting that snap. And the dome is getting glossy and plump and pretty, and that's what your skin is going to look like after you have an RF microneedling. So I like to tell that to people because it's kind of a visual, because you're expanding and you're contracting, you're tightening at the same time. So that's what RF microneedling will do for your skin. It's series of 4. If you guys have had the series, you need to jump on and grab that 20% off single one, because you need to do maintenance every 4 months. You know, skincare is a lifetime investment, right? I mean, like, you can't just apply some cream one day and then all of a sudden, yep, I'm good for the rest of my life. Like, that's not gonna work. You have to work at it, you know, just like you would work out, just like
You go to the dentist.
you go to the dentist, you gotta maintain, exactly. You gotta work at it. So maintenance is just part of the program. So we try to pick treatments that are, you know, easy to do and maintain and affordable for everyone. So I would grab some of those 20% off. So either you do the package or just a single one. So anyway, I love RF microneedling. Anyway, any other specials that you guys happen to love that we wanted to highlight? We talked about jelly.
I love IPL.
Natalie,
I'm an IPL kind of person. So the IPL is full face for $200, which is $100 savings. It's great for hyperpigmentation that you get, you know, during the summertime with accidental sun exposure or sun exposure that you didn't mean, or that you did mean to get. Over the years, it's going to wipe away those dark spots and help reveal more even toned skin. So it's a great value, and it's a single treatment for $200.
Awesome.
That's a steal.
Yeah.
Also need to make a note that, there are some amazing filler specials and Botox specials that Raleigh Plastic Surgery has generously offered. Don't get confused. I like to be cute. I like presentation. So don't get confused by, plumper hands and face. It doesn't mean that that's what you have to use it for. Think of it as you're buying a product. So you're buying the Juvederm or the Restylane for $650. Jen Kempton, who is the nurse injector, who is amazing. She's got a wonderful aesthetic touch. She's really good at what she does, which is why she was brought on. She will help guide you into the best product. So think of it as you've just made an investment. I am getting a sale price on an injectable. So, for example, I think there's one on there for Voluma is normally $800. You can grab it for $700, so you save $100. Does that mean that you'll use Voluma necessarily? No. Jen's going to look at you and assess you, and she might be like, we're going to take that $700 and we're going to divvy it up between, I don't know, Restylane
For the
and
best
Restylane.
product, yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Best product for you.
The best product for you. So
She does.
don't get confused by all of that. Don't shy away from those items, you guys. I mean, it's a sale, and everybody needs a sale right now, right?
Yeah.
Everybody wants to
Absolutely.
save some money. So if you were remotely interested at all in injectables or fillers, take a look at those items. Grab some. Like I said, they're still open on the GiveSmart site, and make your appointment. Consultations are complimentary with her, and you can also inject if it's enough time is available. She can inject and consult on the same day. So, and another thing that the Thermi Smooth. That was one of the last minute ones we threw up. Love Thermi Smooth. Natalie is a new believer in it. And Thermi Smooth is, guess what? RF. It's RF energy, so it's that heat-based technology again. The plumping, smoothing. Obviously it's not needles, but it's using heat to smooth and tighten areas, especially around the eyes. It's great around the eyes. So I think there's some videos linked up in it. So anyway.
And if you guys are thinking of getting something that's a little less intense, Diamond Glow is an amazing choice, especially for the holidays. I know you guys are not going to be going to too many parties, right, with the social distancing. However, if you're just with your family, Diamond Glow plumps you up, and it really does make your makeup look amazing. And for $135, it's just an amazing thing to get before the holidays.
I think what's 150.
It's $150.
Yep.
Actually, Janae's $135.
Yeah.
For $150, it's an amazing, because it's usually $185.
Right, but
Right.
the best thing about Diamond Glow, Donnie, is what do you get when you buy a Diamond Glow?
A serum.
Well,
Right.
Really distinctions point.
You get points.
Yeah.
Yes, you get to use coupons, which are my favorite thing.
That's right. It's our favorite thing.
It's Allie now. It used to be Brilliant Distinctions, but we'll definitely walk you through the process if you're new to it. But you get to use that and then to pay for more Brilliant Distinctions. I mean, more Diamond Glows
Yeah.
and for filler if it's a Juvederm product.
Yeah, so
Mhm.
it's an Allergan product. So basically, it was purchased, and so anyway, we're always trying to help find you the best deal. And anyway, Donnie's your girl when it comes to if you are a member of Alley or Brilliant Distinctions, she can work that system
Nobody's business.
We'll figure it out.
like nobody. Okay, who's ready for some raffles?
Woo!
They're ready. They're
Everybody.
closed and they're ready. Just an aside, we raised $2,630 for.
That's awesome.
Amazing. Yes.
Telling everybody's cheering,
Mhm.
which is a great amount because live last year I think it was $24.75. So we are, even virtually we're right on target. So I know it's not
We
the
increased by
same.
14% from last year.
Oh, we
That's
did.
amazing.
Wow.
14%.
Yeah.
That's
You did good.
amazing. So anyway, thank you guys so much. And as you heard Margot say, it goes to such a wonderful service. It helps so many people. So our clients are the best. Just saying.
Yeah.
Okay. Kim has the list. So we found that it'd be easier. Whoops. Just to because our brains behind the scenes, Sherry, she's our girl wonder over there. We did GiveSmart has a random generator, and so they put everything in, and all the tickets get randomized. And you guys didn't know this, but anyway, you had a number assigned to your ticket. So Kim's gonna read, or we can pass around or read off the list. There were 15 raffle items.
Yep.
Go.
Okay. So.
Speak loud so they can cheer over there.
Is for Kissable Lips, which was for the syringe of Kiss. It goes to Casey Webb.
Okay.
And that's what's that normally, Kim? $7.50, and she got it
$7.50,
for
yes.
like $20 anyway.
Mhm.
Okay.
The next winner is for one Voluderm treatment, RF microneedling. That goes to Donna Graham. Okay, next we have the BioPel skincare basket, which is down here. Jen can actually
Wonderful.
show it on charity. Perfect. That goes to Kim Ingman.
Good job.
Just a side note of that if you guys don't know about growth factor and growth factors, everybody should be on a growth factor. Zio makes one, but I love these little ampules because they are just like awesome.
Talk about some
Tell
glowing
them what they
skin.
really are.
Oh man.
It's snail.
Snail.
They're snails. They're great. But anytime you do an invasive treatment, this is extremely regenerative and healing. And so when you apply this to your skin, it speeds up your body's own healing process by like 6 times. Smells good. It feels good. It helps to soothe. It's just soothe the skin. It's like a tongue twister. But anyway, I see some microneedling in Kim's future then if she's got this basket.
Okay, next is the Brighten Up Beauty.
Clear and
which
brilliant.
was a Clear and Brilliant. Yes, and that goes to Lisa Flick.
Lisa.
I know.
All right, next is Fuller Cheeks and Younger Hands, which is one Volbella and one velour syringe a piece. So this
Now
is
those you
Wow.
can't swap out. Like that's the deal. Yeah. But yeah.
right with the raffle. So that goes to Karen Owens.
Wow.
Okay, so the next one is Fuller Lips and Flawless Smile, which is one Volbella and one velour again. And that goes to Elle Fisher. Okay, the next one is No More Crow's Feet, which is...
Oh, the Botox.
Botox,
Yeah.
yes
Yeah.
ma'am. And that is Gabine. No More Lines Between My Eyes.
Which was the Dysport, I
Yes,
think. Yeah.
Dysport.
Yeah. It's a $375 value. Yeah.
Yep, that was 75 units of Dysport. So that goes to Donna Graham.
Wow. Good job.
And
was killing
then...
I guess I didn't win that.
No, you didn't.
Sorry. Not for nothing, y'all. I put in $100 of raffle tickets. I mean, I did. I mean, I wanted that stuff.
And then another No More Lines Between My Eyes goes to Elaine Park.
Good job, Elaine.
The PDO Thread Lift.
Oh, I really wanted that.
No.
Sorry.
I didn't win.
And it goes to Carolyn Mason. The Revision Skincare
Oh,
Basket,
here we go.
which we also
Beautiful.
have here.
One of my
I need to make a side note that Kim, our vendors, and we will get that thank you list somewhere. We'll thank everybody, but they are so generous and give us all of this product so that we can, raise money for charity. But I'm going to tell you, Kim did the zhuzhing up of these. She put the box and the
Beautiful.
ribbon and the bow. Anyway, so here's the revision basket.
This one goes to Maggie Gordon.
Yay, Maggie!
Good job, Maggie!
Go, Maggie!
I'm glad you made it.
And the next one's the Revitalash. Which should be down there as well.
I don't even, that's an amazing
Oh,
basket.
it's a
These are
great
just a
basket.
really good basket because it's got brows
Huge
and
products.
lashes.
Yes.
I mean, that's like
I did a great basket.
that's a great
Yes.
basket. That got, I will tell you, early on, that got lots of entries. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mrs. Tran.
Oh, Nyuk! It was Nyuk! Yeah,
Yeah.
Nyuk Tran! Yay!
Yay!
Good job.
There we go.
Sorry, Nyuk, you didn't get the IPL.
The next one is Sculpted Cheeks and Lips,
That's
which is one Volbella and one Voluma.
a balloon and Vela. Okay.
Yes, so that goes to Nicole Scott.
Yay! Awesome!
And then the Sente skin basket.
Oh, that's my
Yes,
favorite.
that's my favorite too.
I do love the dermal repair.
Beautiful.
Comes with an abundance of products.
And a great bag.
Look
It's
at that
gold.
bag!
And the back has all
God.
holiday products in it too. It's actually got products inside of there.
Oh,
wow.
Yeah, so it's a huge basket.
Okay.
Yes.
So this one goes to Maggie Gordon.
Oh my
Yay!
God!
You should have bought more tickets.
I should have bought more tickets, I know.
Is this a mistake? Okay. The next one is the SkinCeuticals basket.
Oh, yeah, this
Yes.
also got a lot of takers. Yep, here it is. Sorry.
This goes to Jackie Holcomb. And last but not least is Smooth My Forehead Please.
Oh,
More Botox.
30 units of Botox.
Okay.
And that goes to
Yeah.
Terry Eddins.
Way to go, Terry!
Wow.
Awesome.
Congratulations,
I
everyone.
know. Awesome. You guys, that's great. I have a question. So the treatment tree's done. Are they still? Is the treatment tree sold out?
Sold out within probably 45 seconds.
45
Wow.
seconds. That's a
Done.
That is a record.
Like,
oh
y'all
gosh.
Done.
Clicking real fast.
Y'all couldn't run back here that fast last year.
No.
45
I know, right?
seconds.
Yes. It was fast.
Okay. So how are we? So we'll just contact you.
I will, yes. I will call everyone tomorrow and let you know which service you got with your treatment tree purchase.
Oh,
So
yay!
exciting.
I think it's a cliffhanger.
I know. Are you sure I didn't win anything? I'm positive. Yeah, nothing. Me neither. So I feel like, damn.
Good
Okay.
donating though.
We would like to. I mean, we're done. So that was quick, you guys. You know, get back. You're in and out. We're done. It's like that place, In and Out Burger.
Oh.
yummy, yummy.
Because we're gonna get into that cheese board in about a minute.
Absolutely.
Yes.
But we like. Do you have that list? Because I don't want to miss anybody.
Oh, no, I do not, but I can go grab it.
Oh, we would just like to thank all of our sponsors. Again, we could not do this without all of you. I couldn't do this without all of you and our staff. We couldn't do it without the support of Raleigh Plastic Surgery Center and Dr. Glenn Lyle and Dr. Brett High. We are just, like I said in the beginning, very grateful and thankful to be working and
Absolutely.
to be able to have the partnerships and more. It's a relationship, you know, y'all, your family. So we're just very grateful. So, the list I need to realize. So, trying to realize. So, all these people, I can start with it.
Yes.
Sente, Revision, SkinCeuticals, Biopel,
Revitalash.
I said Revision, Revitalash, which is Athena Corporation. Thank you. Allergan, Galderma. Rev, which there's a Rev peel. Somebody is gonna peel their face off.
Yeah. That's time.
Somebody got a Rev peel in their treatment tree bag. Luminous, which is laser devices, and Solta Medical. So, thank you guys. Thank you. I don't know. How did we end this? You said bye? Peace out?
Sayonara.
I don't know.
Happy
Jordan,
holidays.
my daughter's like, Mom, it's going to be so cringe. I'm like, don't say it. You know? Anyway, if it
Thank
was
you guys
cringe,
for
I'm
tuning
sorry. We'll hopefully we'll see you soon in person in the treatment room, one-on-one, socially safe, COVID safe. And
Thank you for trusting us.
Thank you for
Yeah.
trusting us.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and hopefully, you know,
Knowing that we're
we
taking
may
good
have-
care of you.
we may have to do another virtual, but hey, it went okay.
Not too shabby.
Yeah.
All
Not too
right.
shabby.